Have you heard of the 360 million token dump, $1 million token dump coming next week? Really? Would you like to take a position? Of course, it is important, but before you take a position for that trade, that token dump, here are a few things you need to remember. Protection of capital, very important, because if you lose your capital, you lose confidence to trade. And when you lose the confidence to trade over and over again, then you give up trading and you are at loss. Now let's go straight to the point. This is the Resilient Trader powered by Global Rise Network. 5 major crypto tokens are about to release over 360 million worth of supply. This could crash their prices next week. The truth is, the news is real. And how can you trade it safely? How can you trade it safely? Very important. You may have seen posts. Yes, posts are coming in claiming this massive token dump coming for these 5 cryptocurrencies. We have the ZRO, almost like zero, ZRO. You can browse it. We have ZORA, which is ZORA. Then we have SCR. Then we have COAI, COAL, COAI. And if you remember, this last few weeks, COAI was just making a huge pump. And then we have the last one, which is XPL. I checked the data, and here is the truth. ZRO and ZORA unlocks are real. These 2 tokens, their unlocks are real, confirmed by an on-chain trackers. Then SCR and COAI numbers are exaggerated. Exaggerated is not going to be up to that. Then XPL's unlock date is in next week for most investors. So the truth being said, so that you don't just go and make unnecessary investment. Always verify. Is important. Always verify before reacting to hype. And that is why Global Rise is here to help you trade with clarity. Without clarity and confirmation, you keep losing your capital and you give up. What is token unlock? Let's look at that. Token unlocks mean that early investors or teams who either mine or get it have got access to their locked coins, because those coins are locked, and many will sell for profit. So when they get the token that is unlocked, they will sell for profit. That creates temporary selling pressure. But not every unlock equals a crash. That is where we need to be very careful when trading. So smart traders wait for confirmation. Volume spikes and structure breaks before shorting. Now let me give you a strategy that can help you if you really plan to trade this fall. So if you plan to trade the fall, pick only liquid pairs like ZRO USDT or ZORA USDT. Then use short setups only after rejection at resistance. Take note, after rejection at resistance with high volume, not before resistance. Then manage your risk position. For example, small size, then defined stop loss, no chasing. Have a defined stop loss. You can even do it to a limit sell. Now, remember the rule. Risk only 1 or 2% of your capital to protect it. Of course, it is true, a few real unlocks are coming, but not every tweet is truth. And that is why, to succeed in trading business, you need to stay resilient. And stay resilient means you need to verify facts and trade with discipline. Continue to follow Global Rise Network for more breakdowns that keep your capital safe. That is why I'm here, to help you trade with clarity. See you again as we continue to break down the market structure.